look at it. Show the camera.
What are the odds of this?
Alright. They're right there. Alright. Now, how much do you bet with enough shuffling that I can get this to the top?
Bet you my left kidney.
Yes.
Your left kidney?
I bet my left
I will
kidney.
take your left kidney. Alright. Alright.
Oh, look, what are the odds of that?
I was thinking it was like the Ace of Spades song. Alright, next.
I think it's magic. Plus 12,000.
Wait, show the card.
Alright, we're back to this card. I'm going to push it sort of towards the middle of the deck here. And then just like that, I can sort of riffle the cards.
My left kidney.
Your left kidney. You can riffle your left kidney. And
Yeah, I'm doing my right kidney this time.
just like that, the Joker's back on top.
Ah.
Now, here's the real trick. If I bend this and put it so that it's sort of bent right there, do this. Now,
Ooh!